Hello, everyone. The inside of my knee hurts because a nerve inside my spine is being crushed. Here's the weird part. My spine is squeezing a nerve, but my knee is the one screaming about it. This little device can quiet a screaming nerve better than pain pills sometimes. If you've ever had sharp, nagging pain on the inside of your knee, you know how much it can slow you down. For me, that pain actually comes from my spine, something called foraminal stenosis. It's when the space where the nerves exit the spine gets tight and pinches those nerves. Today, I'm going to show you how I use the TENS unit to help with my pain and explain what's actually going on inside the body. Share what it's like living with spinal stenosis. Let's talk about the diagnosis, focusing on everyday life challenges and ways to thrive whether you have spinal stenosis or not. The nerves that run down the inside of your leg and into the inside of your knee mostly come from your lower spine. Think of it like an electrical wire. It leaves the spine, travels down the thigh, and ends right here by the knee. When foraminal stenosis squeezes that nerve at the spine, you can feel it all the way down here in the knee, even though the real problem is higher up your back. That's called referred nerve pain. Let's take a look at my MRI. My MRI summary says I have bilateral foraminal stenosis and central canal stenosis. Now, what does that mean? Check out my video linked above to learn more. A TENS unit, short for transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, sends gentle electrical impulses through the skin. What does that do? A few things. It blocks some of the pain signals from reaching your brain, almost like turning down the volume on pain. It stimulates the release of endorphins, your body's natural painkillers, and it helps improve local blood flow, which can relax the surrounding muscles that may be tightening up from the nerve irritation. Basically, it's a small device that sends gentle electrical pulses through sticky pads you place on your skin. But those pulses actually help distract your nerves from sending pain signals to your brain. Some people describe it as a tingling or tapping feeling. It's not painful, just different. Here's mine. You attach the electrode pads to the area that hurts, connect them to the device, and then choose your settings. See the dial? I can adjust the intensity so it starts off soft, and then you increase it to where it feels comfortable. The idea isn't to shock yourself, it's to find that sweet spot where it eases the pain without being uncomfortable. TENS units aren't just for people living with spinal stenosis. What's your chronic illness? How do you deal with your chronic pain? Or do you know someone that does? Let me know in the comments. Let's have a conversation.